Okay guys, so this car is not starting. I put jump box on here, I test the bolt down here, I'm getting 12 volt down at the starter here and all that. It's just like knocking a little bit, like when the batteries die. That's the symptoms that I'm getting. So I did want to make sure, so I tamped the starter here and the solenoid a couple times and it's still not starting. But we're just gonna go ahead and replace the starter, guys. You know what I mean? And see what happens. This nut from here, there's 2 and 3 bolts around here that I removed out. Okay guys, after I go ahead and remove all the 2 bolts them around here, just can go ahead and just take it up. Brand new starter guys, I'm gonna drop it in and see what happens. If it's gonna start. Okay guys, I'm finishing the starter. Let's try starting up now. Start like it.